Hello, good morning students. Last week we were studying about festival album, and what we have to do in festival album is we have to select one festival. We have to write down the day when that festival is celebrated, okay, date, day, name of a festival, then why it is celebrated, reason is there why it is celebrated, then there are many things, then what all things are done, do we buy any new things or what for that festival, do we prepare any special food or what at home, and everything about that festival you have to write down information, and that will become what, that will become festival album, and you have to make like that any one festival's album you have to make it of Diwali or make it of Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is already given in book. You can make of Gudi Padwa, come on, tell more, you can make it of Dasara, okay, make one small album of a festival. And today we are going to start with new chapter. The name of our lesson is a team of workers. What do you understand by heading a team of workers? Workers means what? There are many people, those who do work together, they are called workers, correct? They come together and do some specific work, and that group of workers is called what? It is called team. What it is called? It is called team. So here it is told that there is a team of workers in our body. Now which are the workers of our body? Our eyes. Eyes are doing some work, ears are doing some work, mouth is doing some work, hands are doing some work, legs are doing some work. Each and every part of our body does some work, so it is a team. And then what is speciality of each and every part of our body, that is mentioned in this lesson. So I will just start with the lesson. I will read. All body parts stand together holding hands. All. Work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening. We are always at work. During the day and even at night, we are always at work. Right? Now what is told here? Work, work, work. Every day, let it be in the morning, let it be in the evening, let it be during the day, let it be during the night. What we do? We do work. 24 hours we keep on doing work. Who does work? Parts of our body. Just imagine, if one part of body will not do work, what will happen? Just think. Today legs told that I will not work, I will not walk. What will happen? The person who will not walk, he will not able to do any work, he will not able to go from one place to another. Does it happen or what with our body parts? Does they say or what? How if someone tells you to do some work, what you say? No, I will not do it. If your mother will say you better go and bring a glass of water to drink, what you say? No mama, I don't have time, I cannot give you water. But like that, do our body parts say like that? Our body parts say like that or what? That I will not do work, or I will say no to you. Does our body do that? No. Each and every part of our body, let it be hands, let it be your foot, let it be your knees, let it be your eyes, ears, mouth, nose. Now the most important part of our body is nose. Correct or not? It inhales oxygen. If nose will say that I will not inhale oxygen, what will happen? What will happen? Just tell me. The person who is alive will die within fraction of seconds. Correct or not? He or she will die. Why? Because our body needs oxygen to breathe. And if nose will say, no, I will stop working, I will not inhale oxygen and I will not exhale carbon dioxide, what will happen? Your body will stop working, you will die. So there is importance is given of each and every part of our body, and all parts of body is a team. Okay, it is a team who does work, and so they are called workers. So here now, here all body parts are saying what? Work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. During the day, during the night, we are always at work. Let it be evening, let it be morning, let it be daytime, let it be night time. Every time we keep on doing work. Okay. Then mouth. Now first part speaks. What is that? Mouth. Now what mouth is saying? Mouth is saying that hands come forward and tell us what you do. Okay. What mouth tells? Hands come forward and tell us what you do. Now what we would have done, if we would be in the class, I would have made one child hands, one child foot, okay, one child eyes, one child will become ear, one child will become nose, and he will come front and do acting of nose. Second child will come and do acting of eyes, third child will come forward and will do acting of hands. But here it is now told that mouth says that hands come forward and do and tell us what you do. Now hands will come front. Now there is a child who has a tag of hands on its body, and now these two children, they come front and they say something. Hands, we lift, we hold, we carry, we give. Okay, if I want to give you book, we give. If I want to take something, we take, we pull, we push, we put. 100 things we make. We two are a clever pair. There is nothing that we cannot do. Now what all things are done by hands? We have two hands, correct? We can hold something with hands, we can push something with hands, we can pull something with hands, correct? We can put something with hands. Okay, there it is told that we can lift, we hold, we carry. We lift, we hold and we carry, correct? We give, hands can give something to others, correct or not? We give and we take. We pull, we push, we put. 100 things we make. We can do so many things. Hands are saying that we can do so many things, but the most important things which we can do is we can lift. What we can do? We can lift, we can hold, we can push, we can pull, we can lift, hold, carry, we can put, we can give, we can take. These are all works which are done by hands. Lifting something is done by hands. To hold something is done by hands. To push something is done by hands. We don't push. If you want to push something, you don't push with your eyes or with your nose. We take help of what? We take help of hands. We push something with hands, we pull something with hands, we carry something in our hands, right? We can put something in. Now if I want to throw wrappers in the dustbin, then what we can do? We pick it up and put in the dustbin. We can give something to others, we can take something from others. This all work is give and take, pull, push, carry, lift. These all works are done by hands. And hands are saying that we two are a clever pair. There is nothing that we cannot do. Hands can do many more things. Okay. Apart from this, many more things can be done by hands. Now mouth is asking now some another part of your body. Mouth. Feet. Now who had come first? Hands. Now feet. Feet come forward and tell us what you do. Feet. We walk, we run, okay, we tap, tapping, we dance, we skip and jump and hop, we step forward, we turn about and just in time we stop. This is our work. Now what work is done by feet? The work which is done by feet is walk, jump, tap, more, run, dance, skip, and hop, hop. Okay, walk, jump, tap, run, dance, skip, hop. These are all activities which is done by legs. Legs means what? Feet. We have 2 feet, correct? One leg is called, or one leg is called what? Foot, and 2 are called feet. So here it is told that we walk, we run, we tap, we dance, we skip. Skipping, you know it very well. We skip, we jump and hop. We step forward, we can walk forward, we can walk backward, and this is what all we can do. The simple thing of legs is what? It can take person from one place to another. It will help you to dance, it will help you to jump, it will help you to run, it will help you to dance, it will help you to skip, it will help you to hop. These are all activities which are done by feet. And then feet is saying that we can do many more things, and at last we can stop also. Every time it is not like that we jump and we dance, but we can even stop on one place. Now mouth is asking, now some other parts of bodies are there. Mouth asking, eyes, ears and nose, what about you? Hands told about themselves, okay, hands told that we do so and so things. Foot told or feet told what things or what work they do. Now mouth is asking, what about you? Eyes, ears and nose. Then eyes are saying, we open, we close, we read, we blink, we see things far and near. What is the activity done by eyes? The activity which is done by eyes is to open, close and blinking. Correct or not? Eyelashes, they keep on blinking. And eyes help us to read and write, and to see things which are far away from us, and to see things which are close to us. That is the work of eyes. In short, I can tell you that eyes help us to see, correct? They also help us to open, close, blink, and they help us to read and write. If you want to write something, that time also we make use of our eyes. It is like that, or what, we close our eyes and then write? No. They help us to read, write. They help us to see things which are far away from us. They help us to see things which are closer to us. That is the work of eyes. Next one now, mouth has asked eyes, ears and nose. Now ears. And now ears are telling, and be it loud, be it soft, every sound we hear. The work of ears is to hear. If the sound is louder, I can hear. If the sound is less, I can hear. My work is to hear the sounds which comes around, or there are so many sounds which I can hear in the surrounding. Whatever sounds are there in surrounding, I can hear them. Understood? And the last one is nose. I breathe day and night, I can never rest. I have to smell every smell, good or bad or best. And what about you, mouth? Okay, what is the work of nose? Nose is helping us to smell, breathe. I told you, to inhale oxygen and to exhale carbon dioxide. Okay, next thing is told over there is that nose helps us to smell. Let the smell be bad or good, nose help us to smell. In this way we have studied half lesson. Remaining part of the lesson we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay, you can read lesson, it is quite interesting, and you can do acting also at home. You can do presentation with your brothers, sisters, or tell your mother to help you. Do acting with your mother. Okay, thank you. We'll meet in tomorrow's period.